Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video I'll be showing you how to set up personal voice on iPhone 16. Let's begin. So let's go into our settings here. Then we want to click accessibility. And here we want to scroll all the way down. And under speech we want to click personal voice. As you can see here, we have different voices that were recorded and created previously, but in order to actually set up your own personal voice, you have to, you guessed it, click create a personal voice. We'll have to input our password though, and now we'll be going through the process of creating our own personal voice. As you can see now, we'll be having to, we'll need to read like about 150 phrases, which can take a while, but it is worth the progress. And we basically hit continue and start recording. Though first we need to choose our language. I will choose English, of course, and we can also change the name. So, well, how I'm going to call my voice? Well, let's go with Alfred. And then we hit continue. Then we'll have to find a quiet place, speak naturally, and take your time. So, yeah, let's start recording. Okay, we want to using shorter phrases. Okay, so we can also change the shorter phrases or the default ones, though I would advise you to stick with default ones as it will increase the quality of your personal voice. So now we simply hit continue with default phrases. And yeah. I'm creating a personal voice with my iPhone. And as you can see now, we are our background noises are minimal. So let's continue. Farming employs more than 40% of the workforce. For her work, she was awarded the Nobel Prize in 1959. Would you please close the door? And the last one. Can he make it to the party? Wow. Okay, it's done. It took a while. Now we simply hit continue. We can prepare your personal voice. So now we can allow the notifications. And as you can see now, our personal voice will be generated only while iPhone is charging and locked, and we'll receive a notification when our personal voice is ready. So now I would advise you simply to charge your iPhone, lock it, probably leave it for the night, and then our Alfred voice will be ready. As it probably will take a while for the program to process all the recordings, since, you know, there were a lot of recordings. And that's all for this video. If you found it helpful, please remember to like and subscribe. And thanks for watching.